Students, in my earlier videos, you have learned the basic rules of algebra, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of algebraic expressions or terms. Now let us learn what is an identity. Whenever two algebraic expressions, suppose 5x minus 2x equals to 3x, you know, whenever two algebraic expressions are equal for every values of x, you know the notation in set theory, then it is called an identity. These algebraic expressions are always equal for every value of x and y. So all these statements are called identities. So what is an identity? Whenever two algebraic expressions are equal for every values of variables related to these algebraic expressions is called an identity. Let us learn some basic rules. Suppose x plus a is multiplied by x plus b. So we can write this x into x plus a. Here is this x plus a is multiplied by x plus b into x plus a. So it would be x square plus ax plus bx plus ab. So x square, here in these two terms x is common, so we can take common, so it can be written as a plus bx plus ab. So what is the result of this product? X plus a into x plus b equals to x square plus a plus b x plus ab. Let us take a equals to 2, b equals to 3. The product of x plus 2 into x plus 3. So simply you put the values here. So it will be x square plus 2 plus 3x plus 2 into 3. That will be x square plus 5x plus 6. Similarly, let a equal to minus 5, b equal to 7. So what would be the result? X minus 5 into x plus 7, we can write x plus, here is right, minus 5 can be written as this and it will be x plus 7. So it will be x square plus minus 5 plus 7 x plus minus 5 into 7. So this is x square, here is minus 5 and plus 7, so it is 2x, here is minus 5 into 7, that is minus 35. So you will get the product by putting the value of a and b and you will get the result. Suppose a equals to minus 3, b equals to minus 4. So what would be the result? X minus 3 into x minus 4. We can write this x square plus minus 3 minus 4 x plus minus 3 into minus 4. So here see x square minus 3 plus minus 4 means minus 7x. Here minus 3 into minus 4 means plus 12. Students, let us learn the product of x plus a, x plus b into x plus c. So it will be x cube, and here would be a plus b plus c. Just see a plus b plus c into x square plus ab plus bc plus ca into x plus abc. You simply remember this. It is as good as a formula. You have learned a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. What would be the value of x plus 1 by x whole square? You simply take it a, you put this in terms of this expression. Here is a square means x square plus 2 into x into b means 1 by x. Here b means here 1 by x plus 1 by x square, that is x square. Here x is cancelled plus right x square plus 2, or you can write this here directly x square plus 2 plus 1 by x square. Suppose we have to find out the value of 1009 whole square. a by b plus b by a whole square equals to 5 square, or what is the value of this? A by b whole square plus 2 into a by b into b by a plus b by a whole square equal to 25. This implies that a square by b square plus here b cancelled, here 2 a cancelled, it is 2 plus 2 b square by a square equal to 25. This implies that a square by b square plus b square by a square equals to 25 minus 2, that is 23. Therefore, a square by b square plus b square by a square equal to 23. Students, let us learn what is the value of a minus b whole square. You know this is a square minus 2ab plus b square. This can be written as a minus b whole square equal to a minus b into a minus b. Just write a into a means a square minus ab. Here minus ab and minus b means plus b square. So it is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So students, please remember this formula. Suppose x minus 1 by x equals to 5. What would be the value of x square plus 1 by x square? Squaring both sides, we can get x minus 1 by x whole square equal to 5 square. This implies that here is x square minus 2 into a minus a into b. What is the value of a? Here is x. What is the value of b? Here a minus b, that is here is minus, here is also minus, and b means 1 by x plus 1 by x square equals to 25. This implies that x square, here x cancelled, x square minus 2 plus 1 by x square equals to 25. This implies that x square plus 1 by x square equals to 25 plus 2, that is 27. Therefore, x square plus 1 by x square equals to 27. Students, let us apply this formula. Suppose we have to find out 91 square with the help of this formula. So what would be the value of this? 91 can be written as 100 minus 9, it is whole square. Here is a and here is b. So that is 100 whole square minus 2 into 100 into 9 plus 9 square. So what would be the value of this? 1000 minus 1800 plus 81. So it will be 10081. That is, here you see 81 to 8. Students, what we learned? A plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. If we add 1 and 2, what we will get? A plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square equals to, it is cancelled, simply add this term. So it will be 2a square plus 2b square equals to 2 into a square plus b square. Students, let us see again. A plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now let us subtract both the sides. Here if we subtract, here will be minus, here will be minus, here will be plus, and will be minus. So it will be a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square equals to a square plus a square minus a square, it will be cancelled, and plus b square minus b square, it will be cancelled, it will be 4ab. In other ways we can write 4ab equals to a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. Or from this part we can again write ab equals to a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square by 4, that is a plus b whole square by 4 minus a minus b whole square by 4. It will be written as a plus b by 2 whole square minus a minus b by 2 whole square. It is the deduction of this formula. After deduction we can write it in this form also. Students, here C and a plus b plus c whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Students, let us learn what is the value of x minus y plus 3z whole square. You simply apply this formula here. This term can be written as x plus minus y minus y plus 3z whole square. So here is a, it is b, and it is c. Just simply put this formula. So it will be x square plus b square, b means minus y, plus c means 3z whole square, plus 2 into ab. A means x, b means minus y, this minus y, plus 2bc. 2b means minus y into c means 3z plus 2 into c means 3z into x. So it is x square plus y square, minus 1 minus y square is y square, it is 9z square minus 2xy minus 2 into 3 minus 6 yz. Here is minus y, so minus 6 yz and it is 6 zx. Students, you have learned a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. With the help of this formula, you can get the value of x minus y into x plus y into x square plus y square into x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4. X minus y and x plus y. Written as 100 minus 8, that is a plus b. Suppose it is a and it is b, so it is a and it is b. A plus b into a minus b means a square minus b square, that is 100 whole square minus 8 whole square, that is minus 64. So it will be 9936. Students, this video is very much important. I advise you to follow the video from beginning to end. I like to request you to share my videos to your friends and associates. Thank you for watching my video.
Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get all the notifications. You can also like the video and share the video in your groups.